Great idea. Just so everyone knows, Carrington's going to rob a bank. In the space provided, it says draw two scalene triangles. Scalene means no sides are the same. One has to be acute, one has to be obtuse. That one's obtuse. That one's acute. Okay, I'm going to say this is 2, 2.5, and 3. I'm going to say this is 4. Oh, this one looks like about 7. This one looks about like 11. That doesn't work, does it? No, that won't actually form a triangle, will it? I'm going to make that a 10. Okay. If I was to measure these angles, I have to find the small, medium, and large. I'd probably say this is the largest one here. Let's see, this would probably be the medium one up here. This is probably the smallest one. Or the same thing here. This is small. This is large. This is medium. Just by looking at these. Of course, you guys used your 3 and 1s. Measure the 3 sides. Label the longest side L. Let's see, that'd be L here. The M for medium. The S for small. Small, medium, and large. Like so. Okay, is that good? You guys did this with all your triangles, right? All 3 of the triangles, right? Sorry, 2 triangles. Okay, next page. Which side is opposite angle L? Yeah, the large one. Which side is opposite angle M? M. Which side is across from angle S? S. Okay, discuss your results with your neighbor. What did you discover? Okay, basically the largest angle is across from the longest side. Is that what you discovered? And you could say the medium and the medium and the smallest and the shortest. Is that correct? That's what you guys figured out? Okay. Side angle inequality conjecture of a triangle. In a triangle, if one side is longer than the other, then the angle opposite the longer side is larger. There it is. That seems pretty straightforward. Okay. So in summary, here's what's going on. Your biggest angle is across from the biggest side. Okay? Well, that makes the most sense because check this out. If I have a small angle, well, I only have this much gap to cover, right? If I have a big angle, okay, I have this much more to cover. Okay? So the bigger the angle, the bigger the side that has to fill the gap. Okay? That's all it really means. So here's the deal. Using your new conjectures, arrange the unknown measures in order from least to greatest. Okay? So let's look up here. What is the smallest number up here for number 1? 13. So I'm going to put these in order. 13, 18, and 20. Okay? What angle is across from 13? C. What angle is across from 18? A. What angle is across from 20? B. So your right answer is C, A, and B. I'm so glad you can read 3-letter things. Oh my goodness. Least to greatest. Greatest to least. Okay, from greatest to least. Well, first off, what's this angle right here? Do we know? 61 plus 32 plus what gives me 180 degrees? 90? No. I'll go with 87 though. So that's 87 degrees. Okay, so we're going to list the degrees from greatest to least. So what's the greatest? 87, then 61, then 32, right? From greatest to least. What side is across from 87? What side is across from 87? B, thanks. What side is across from 61? C, what side is across from 32? Hey, maybe you guys can't see this, but it's just the one that's across from it. Just like so. Looks good to me. All right, same thing. Same thing. Angle ABC here, this is 58.84 degrees. ACB is 73.14 degrees. So what does this angle down here have to be? No, just look at your paper. I just read this. What does this have to be? What does that have to be? Excellent. Moving on. Draw a triangle according to the following specifications. Angle A is the longest. Angle C is the smallest. Side C is the smallest. How are we going to do that? Okay, moving on. Draw a triangle with the appropriate labels. Find the angle measures and label the sides smallest to largest. Holy cow, how are we even supposed to do that? Okay. So, the idea here, all three of these have to add up to what? 180, okay? How do I solve for x? Someone volunteer. Is what? 57? 47. Okay, now what? What does that give me? $66.5. Okay. So how long is this angle? How long is angle A? Yeah, minus 35. So what is that? Tell me. You can use a calculator if you want. 30.5. Thank you very much. 30.5. 31.5. Excellent. This is 82. This is 66.5. Okay. Now that you know these angle lengths, draw it. Okay, 82 looks like this. So that's like 82. 66. Let's see. And 31. Okay, so this is the 82. This is 31 point. No, that's got to be 66.5. 31.5. So this is angle A. This is angle C. This is angle B. Label the sides smallest to largest. Okay, so what's the smallest side? Well, it's across from angle A. So how do you name this side over here? This is side BC like so. Okay. The next smallest side is what? I'm sorry, the smallest angle is what? Second smallest? It's just C, right? Just name the other two letters. A, B. Okay. The largest angle is angle B, so name the other two letters. AC. Bam. That way it did say from smallest to the largest. Anyone have any clues on this? If angle A is the largest, what side is going to be the largest? Angle A is going to be the largest. What side is going to be the largest? Not angle, side. What side is going to be the longest? Okay, so side A is the longest. C is the shortest and smallest. Okay, so B's got to be in the middle. So all we have to do is draw this. Well, A is the longest, C is the shortest, B is in the middle. This is B, C, A, and then you just have to label the angles like so. Let me ask you a question. The sides, uppercase or lowercase? Lowercase. The angles, uppercase or lowercase? Do you think it matters? Yes, it does. Okay? Always follow that rule. And honestly, C's look about the same. You can't tell if it's uppercase or lowercase. So, yeah. Okay? Did we skip anything else? Okay. Hopefully you guys can figure those out. Okay? Your assignment is the next page. I hope you guys can figure that out. It is due tomorrow. If you have questions, ask somebody who cares.